Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today, lazy kitchen. Today we're going to cook something typical Italian, but it's cold dish. We call it that. Gonna be Bresaola, rucola e grana. Bresaola is some charcuterie with rocket and parmesan. It's super light, it's very good on diet and it's super tasty. We need just Bresaola, okay, it's quite nice. It's beef charcuterie. It's from salmon cut, stuff like that. We need some parmesan, rocket, lemon, salt and pepper, and some balsamic vinegar. Okay, this is very easy and quickly to do. I show you. Take a plate. The Bresaola you can find in any supermarket. You know, take your time, put on the plate like this. Two. You know, we're gonna do a nice spiral. Be careful because it's very delicate. Okay. Three. You can have with a nice slice of bread. You know, it's dinner anyway. It's gonna be my dinner tonight. Okay, you can break it like that. You know. Okay, this is first step. Now we're going to cut a lemon. Lemon is very good inside this dish. Lemon. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now, salt is there. We have a little touch of olive oil, like that. Perfect. A touch of black pepper. The same with the salt. Almost is done, guys. Now we need some nice parmesan. A little like that. And just moving the plate a little bit everywhere. Very nice. You see? Now we have a very wild rocket. You know, just spread like that on the top. I like quite nice amount of rocket. You see? This, if you prepare this, prepare this one even 1 hour before, because the bresaola is marinated in the oil, lemon juice with parmesan, salt and pepper is even better. But you can prepare even 10 minutes before you eat. But if it's a little bit marinated, is better. When you put a rocket, guys, again, some parmesan on top. Basically, it's done, guys. Later, here you can add some, if you want more rich, no, you can add some mozzarella or anything you like. But anyway, the bresaola is this. When you finish, again, a touch of olive oil and if you like as well, the balsamic vinegar is very nice. You can put around something like that. Ah, look at that. Fantastic. Guys, I know it's very quickly, but this Bresaola is absolutely delicious. Okay? Try it and let me know. Leave some comment if you don't like something, if you like something. But anyway, the Bresaola with rocket and parmesan is this. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!